Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to remove stored network credentials in Windows 10. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Select View by small icons. Open Credential Manager. Click to open Windows credentials. Select Network. Click Remove. Click Yes to continue. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.